morning, treasurers. This is your host Padishah, co-founder of Night FinTech, and you're listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 12th April 2021. In the international market, the benchmark US Treasury yield rose on Friday after March Producer Price Index (PPI), which measures the wholesale price inflation, showed a larger than expected increase. The March PPI data showed a rise of 1.0 percentage points compared with the projected rise of 0.4 from economists surveyed by Dow Jones. As the wholesale level, bottlenecks, trade issues, and the early stages of a commodity supercycle are forcing pricing pressures, because of which the US 10-year closed at 167 and 30-year closed at 234 on Friday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $63.39 per barrel. Crude's short-term range seems to be $63 to $66 per barrel. As you know, we are long at $60 per barrel and still holding crude. In the currency market, dollar index is at 92.23, 92.40 acts as an immediate resistance. DXY's today's range seems to be 91.93 to 92.40. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 655. USD INR with a high of 74.96 closed at 74.73. USD INR's range for today seems to be 74.55 to 74.85. Everyone in the market is watching whether RBI allows 75 level to be broken. In the domestic market, 515 GS 2025 closed at 558 versus 557 the previous trading day. 585 GS 2030 closed at 602 versus 603 the previous trading day. At the same time, the 14-day variable rate reverse repo cutoff came at 348. Hence, the overnight and shorter end rates will inch up. At the same time, the longer 10-year variable rate reverse repo will increase the rates up to 1-year securities by 30 basis points. So, let us wait for the long 10-year VRR auctions in 14 days. CPI data will be published at 5:30 p.m. today, which is Monday after market hours. Our night research expects CPI at 520 to 540 range. We also expect core inflation to cross 6%, which will be a cause of worry for RBI. In Friday's trading day, others bought rupees 3,993 crores, whereas primary dealers sold rupees 4,667 crores. On 9th April 2021 GSEC auctions, new 5-year which is 2026, the cutoff came at 563. New 14-year which is 2035 cutoff came at 664. Important to note was, out of rupees 11,000 crore in 2026 security, rupees 10,926 crore were devolved on PDs. Hence, we saw a massive sell-off on Friday by primary dealers. Takeaways: even after all these efforts, government had to devolve rupees 10,926 crore for new 5-year bond, and that sends a clear message that market is demanding higher yields. GSEP 1.0 is nothing but the OMO calendar. Few participants in the market are comparing it with QE, but that is a wrong comparison as by central banks' balance sheet sizes. Market loves certainty, and GSEP 1.0 gave them a quarter's visibility of rupees 1 lakh crore purchases, and that is what market is cheering. Please note that 1 lakh crore per quarter, and hence RBI will buy close to rupees 4 lakh crore via GSEP and close to 3 lakh crore via OMO. That simple math will not work out well. Actually, RBI will surely increase the bond purchases from last year's 3.3 lakh crore, but it will definitely not buy rupees 7 lakh crore worth of GSEC. Hence, demand supply issues are going to stay and yields are bound to go north. As yields have come down due to GSEP announcements, HTM AFS shifting to be carried out as soon as possible. You can use our scenario builders to identify the securities to be shifted. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Patish Shah, co-founder of Night FinTech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.